Hello everyone. Don't worry. Hello everyone. You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. But thank you so much for clicking on this video, guys. It's so nice to have you here. If this is your first time of seeing me, my name is Cynthia. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate you guys. Well, in today's video, I'll be showing you how I make use of onion juice for fast hair growth. I'm going to be showing you how I prepare it and how I use it on my hair. Okay, I've had a lot of questions about the onion juice. A lot of people have been asking me how I make this onion juice and how I use it. So today I decided that I am going to show you exactly how I make my onion juice and how it is going to be used. Okay guys, if you're yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Please and please guys, subscribe. Okay guys, in this video you're going to be needing an onion. Onion is rich in sulfur. The sulfur in onions help to promote collagen production, and collagen helps in the production of healthy skin cells and hair growth. Onion is super amazing for your hair, guys. It helps to boost the circulation of blood flow to the hair follicles, and it also helps in preventing hair loss. Okay, you can use any onion you find. For this video, I'm going to be using the purple onion. You can use the white onion, but I choose to use this purple onion. Okay, so what you need to do is to peel off your onion. I want to make for at least 2 to 3 days. Okay, so I'll be using like 3 onions. It's not advisable for you to store the onion juice for a long time. Okay, if you want to store it in the refrigerator, you can do that for at least 3 to 5 days. That's what I advise. Okay, so this is the quantity of onion I want to make use of for this home remedy. Okay, like I said before, onion is a very powerful ingredient for hair growth. It is safe and a natural ingredient for you to use. It is also super affordable. You can find onion everywhere in the market, although it's kind of expensive now. It's like liquid gold right now but you can find it everywhere in the market. Okay, so I'll go ahead and rinse my onion. I'll rinse it just to make sure I take away every dirt that is on it. After rinsing my onions, guys, I will go ahead and chop it into little pieces. Okay, into smaller size. Okay guys, if you don't have a blender, I'm going to be blending my onions. If you don't have a blender, you can go ahead and use a hand grater. Okay, you can go ahead and make use of this, and you grate your onion in this little portion here, the smaller one. Okay, you go ahead and grate it, then you get your juice from there. But I'm going to be using a blender, an electric blender. All right. Okay guys, if you're worried about your onion juice being too thick, you can go ahead and add just a little water to help it blend a bit faster. Okay, oh, this onion is so hot in the eye. Okay, this is blended very well. It has been blended, as you can see. This is how it looks inside. Okay, onion contain antibacterial and antifungal properties which helps to prevent and treat scalp infection like dandruff and scalp ringworm. Okay, it is also great at nourishing and adding natural shine to the hair. Onion is very good for your hair. If you are using onion juice for dandruff treatment, then I will advise you use it at least once every week. Okay, so this is the juice we got from 3 onion. This is the juice we got from 3 onion. Okay, so I'll go ahead and transfer my onion juice into this container. This is my spray bottle. Okay, I'll be using a funnel just to make sure that it goes in faster and easier. Okay, if you are concerned about the smell of onion juice, you can go ahead and add some essential oils just to max up the smell. You can add essential oils like the lavender oil, the rosemary oil, and also tea tree oil. Okay, if you're using onion juice for the first time, please do a patch test on your skin to make sure that you are not allergic to onions. If you are allergic to onion, then it's not advisable for you to use onion on your hair. Okay, this is to prevent major allergic reactions. So that is how I make my onion juice for hair growth. Guys, if you want to apply this onion juice on your hair, all you need to do is apply it on a clean scalp. Okay, you wash your hair, make sure that your hair is properly washed, then you go ahead and spray some of the onion juice onto your scalp. Okay, just make sure you spray it to every angle on your hair. After that, massage it a little, put on your plastic cap or whatever cap you want to use just to make it sit in properly, and then you go ahead and put in your satin bonnet. Use your satin bonnet to cover your hair. I normally leave mine for 30 to 45 minutes. Okay, if you leave, you can leave it longer than that if you want, but if you don't want to do that, you can leave it for 30 to 45 minutes. All right guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are yet to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you find this video helpful. Share this video and also leave a comment for me in the comment section. See you guys in my next video.